In order to ensure smooth operations, the RUMED management must ensure that all employees have sufficient specialist knowledge and experience. However, there are few standardized training or advanced training courses for this job, which makes it difficult for the RUMED management to find qualified personnel with a uniform level of knowledge. Together with the MMM Group, we offer a large number of scientific and certified courses on the processing of medical devices under the umbrella of the RUMED Academy. The courses are structured into 2 levels, so that we can accompany you ideally on your way as an end user. All courses are accredited by different associations. With our training courses, we offer the possibility of a standardized and sustainable knowledge transfer. A further challenge is instrument management, which is increasingly becoming one of the main tasks of the RUMED management or the staff assigned to it. One component of this challenge is the maintenance of inventories. This also includes the recording of new products, rental trays, or products returning from repairs. In addition to these ongoing and daily activities, process optimization is becoming increasingly important. Efficiently assembled instrument sets, less packing effort, and reduced weights for improved ergonomics at the workplace are the main objectives. In a nutshell, reduction of complexity. This is not only carried out by the RUMED manager, but also requires an increased commitment of the employees. Therefore, the RUMED management does not only need technical know-how and processing. Current and future developments demand the deployment as a manager in many areas, a quite complex task. We are happy to support you with your challenges with our instrument management management.